Hey streamers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the WpStream gaming demo on your website. In a previous video that I'll link down below, I showed you how you can install the WpStream free theme on your website. And in this video, I'm showing you how to install one of the demos, the gaming demo. So this is similar to Twitch, YouTube Live, and websites like that allow you to have a gaming website. And yeah, let's get started by going to our admin section, go to Appearance, Import Demo Data. Here's our theme and the two demos that come with our theme. We want this gaming demo for this video. Continue and import. This might take several minutes, but I have fast forwarded for the sake of this video. And here is our site with the gaming demo. It is as simple as that. Now you have a gaming demo and you can replace all these pictures, text, and things like that. So the structure is already there, the model is already there, and all you have to do is replace all these things so that you can create your very own site with all your own content. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.